Yay! There we go. At last. Now please, 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 Ashling, do not screw us now, please. This is it. Almost finished. We've got the 2 on life. We just need to make it one more 50-50. One more 50-50 and we're in the clear. My heart has never raced faster for an Ashling. We are like 1 coin flip away from finishing this chest. And then, hopefully. Please.
It's okay! It's okay!
Yes, we did it! We did it! We did it! Oh! Yes. Oh! I love you. Thank you. Okay, we're not all the way there yet. We're so close. Alright, we've got this. Block. Chance to block attack damage has the highest weight. Okay, now we cannot unveil that. Now we go to Ashling, moment of truth. We're hoping now to either unveil percent life or ailment avoidance. Ailment avoidance would be best, but if I get percent life, I'm happy with that. Please. Oh, we've done it. Oh, hallelujah. Okay, make sure I'm clicking on this one. There we go. And now we go for percent life. Oh man. There we go, first time. It's glorious. It's not 100% complete yet. It's not. There's a couple more things we need to do, but the expensive, brutal hard part is over, and I'll take you through the next few steps, man. My heart is racing on this one. Alright, so the next step to getting this thing perfect is going to be tailoring orbs, and we're hoping to get percent increased life modifiers. The attribute modifiers are not going to push it up to 13%, I don't believe. It'll be like 0.96. So it's going to reforge our sockets. Resistance modifiers, that's fine. Ooh, no, gross. Ew. Ooh, but wait. No. We don't want that. Attribute modifiers increase effect, but life? No, thank you. Brilliant. We got it. We have it. It only took 3, but now we need to re-6 link this bad boy. So let's actually...
I'm not up for that.
You know what? 6 sockets. Oh. I don't have the 6 socket recipe. What the heck? Alright. So let's do it like this. Oh! What? I just 6 socketed into 1. Okay. Alright. Okay. Now we 6 link. Got it. Alright, 6 linked. So we're going to divine it now. We have a few more acts left. So instead of doing divine suffixes lucky, as I've explained, I'm not going to sit on TFT for an hour. I'm going to do it this way. Suffix is going to change to 2x.